concern. So what was
Some sewerage, some buildings were basically leaving raw sewage in the gutter. So basically the locals were complaining because the water, the sewage water basically is going to the sea. So that is the reason I had called the department basically to just check on. And I have told basically the commissioner also and the pollution control board whatever action needs to be taken as far as these buildings which are leaving raw sewage just to see to it.
So this will affect this fish.
Arey, fish has got nothing to do. You all are complicating matters unnecessarily. Because of your this thing, that the wide this thing, what your publicity you all have given on some report, which the fisheries department has also not accepted. Actually, what has happened? Whenever some report is prepared, it is the local people should be considered. These people, I always believe, these people must be 5-10 generations basically are doing this business of fishing. They must be knowing much more about marine life than even your scientists are concerned.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.